Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jake from Breaks and Beers. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be opening up a pack from NBA Topshot. Some of you may or may not know what NBA Topshot is. I think most people have by now, but for those of you who don't, it is basically a collection of what they call moments, basically highlight films from certain players, different highlight reels that you can purchase and have ownership of, kind of like sports cards, and everything's numbered. I'll show you a little bit of what I got so far, my moments, and I haven't really invested a lot of money into this, maybe about like $20 total, but it's kind of cool, kind of fun. There's a lot of hype on it, but I don't know how long lasting it's going to be, but just something I decided to dabble in. I think this James Harden All-Stars handles here is probably the most valuable thing that I have. Let's go down here to available for sale by collectors, and the lowest asking price for this is $192. Top sale was $10,599. So here's the play. Just kind of breaking them down, crossing them over. So that's kind of cool. Just a little example of what kind of stuff you can find here. So, all right, I haven't opened up a pack for a while. They're basically impossible to get anymore. You got maybe like a 1 in 6 chance, I would say, but I'm going to open this up. But before I do, I'm going to crack a beer as always. Cheers, baby. So this pack is just the regular base pack. I think it cost me like $9. And I pre-ordered it about, 3 weeks ago-ish. And I don't even know when it was available, but it wasn't available for a while, at least 2 weeks. And I just checked it out, and here it is. So let's open it up, see what happens. All right. Open your pack. Yeah, I'm on my phone, too, just screen recording this because, I don't even have it on, I don't know, whatever. Let's just open it up and see what we get. Give me 1 minute. Grabbing some more napkins for the squad. Okay. All right. Click to reveal. Let's do it. Common. Bam Adebayo. Is it going to work? Ain't that some shit? There we go. It's pretty dope. There's supposed to be music with this. I don't know why it's not playing the music. One thing with this NBA Topshot is there's so many users trying to get on at the same time that it's pretty much like just destroying their system, and they can't handle it right now. All right, Bam Adebayo dunk. It's a pretty cool play. So what we got here. Is this on or off? No, see? There we go. There we go. All right. Adams. Okay, a little throwback jam. Nothing too special there. Steven Adams he's pretty decent, though. Underrated dude. All right, let's hope we get a little something better here. Come on, let's pull a banger. Common layup, man. Quick to Oladipo. under. Alright, well, nothing great there. Nothing really good there. Shit happens. Alright, well, let's see if view my progress. Let's check it out. Okay, and there's also like a bunch of challenges and stuff like that you can do. So let's go see if those are in my moments now. Alright, so all three of them, unfortunately, are just CCs. I guess they're not limited editions, so they can just keep making more of them, which sucks. I don't know, let's just check out this one for example. Alright, see how much. Oh, the lowest ask is $69. That's not bad. You know what? Honestly, I don't think that's going to really hold value. So why don't I just do that right here? That's just why not? Alright. Go back here. Let's place it for sale. And this is how you sell something. So sell your moment, you enter a price in US dollars. $69 was the lowest. Let me just go 65 right here. Hell yeah. Place for sale. Warning, you price this moment below the current market value of $69. Hell yeah, confirm that shit. Processing. Confirm transaction. Yep. Alright, so that pack that cost me $9 could potentially, give me one moment that I just could have made 65 on. So, I mean, I guess if you play this right, it's not too bad. But, alright, let's go back home. My collection, my moments, and see if it actually took. No, it didn't yet. So, it might take a few minutes. But yeah, it's kind of a little sample of, opening a pack and just kind of scrolling through and seeing what you got. Seeing how to place something for sale. There's also a marketplace, which I guess is pretty important if you want to know how to do that. Go to marketplace and you can go through the different moments that's for sale. As you can see, there's like very low numbered stuff, 1,500. I think like the lowest one I've seen was like 3 out of 300 or something like that. But they usually go for a lot. This stuff it's kind of crazy. There's a Halliburton right there, common, or it's a limited edition out of 4,000. The lowest asking price is $1,334. So I guess, people are buying this stuff for crazy amounts of money, but it's bonkers. So I don't know, if something you might want to check out. Check it out. If you guys who are listening had any success doing this or are into it, comment and share your story. So, all right, this is Jake from Breaks and Beers. I'm going to continue drinking a couple beers, and I'll see you guys next time. Like and subscribe if you haven't. All right, guys, I will see you next time. Late.